everyone, we are now at Top Direction Machinery FOSHAN and it's happy to have Jonathan here. Hi Jonathan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, would you say hello to the audiences?
Hello everyone, it's very nice to meet you.
Okay, so is there anything you'd like to share with the audiences about your company?
Yeah, so I'm Jonathan from Top Direction. Today we're here representing CSi, a company from Holland, and Top Direction, we are their production partner and assembly partner in China.
Okay, so now I think we are going to introducing the machine part, right?
Yeah.
So is there anything you'd like to share?
Yeah, so behind me you can see that today we're introducing two new machines. On my left here we have the new StackMate. What you'll realize is very unique about the StackMate is that although it is a palletizer, it's a palletizer that doesn't have a robot. In doing so, we reduce the initial investment cost and also the ongoing running costs and maintenance costs. I think this new design from CSi will be a revolutionary technology which enables its new customers and existing customers to really lower its operating costs. So yeah, we're really excited about this new product this year.
Okay, so thanks for the introduction. And before we end this part, would you like to say something to the audiences?
Yeah, so as a company that's trying to sell palletizers, we really have two focuses this year. We feel like operating costs, labor is getting more and more expensive, and also moving boxes just isn't a career choice for a lot of people. And secondly, because of COVID, because of this coronavirus issue, we feel like safety is more important than ever before. So we're really hoping that customers really think about the long-term potential of palletizing, and if you're interested, come visit CSi TD. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. So if audiences are interested in this, you're also always welcome to like and comment on the Sino-Pack social media. So let's move to the next one.